Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Klipsch RSB-8 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it, you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this soundbar is not working for some reason, like it's not connecting to your Bluetooth device or it's not syncing or pairing with the TV or something like that. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to delete all the pairing history, delete all the settings off of it, so you can set this up basically like it's a new soundbar coming out of the box. We can do this really easily. All we need to do is with it powered on, we're just going to come here right in the middle and find the volume up and volume down buttons. And we're going to press volume up and volume down simultaneously for several seconds until all of the lights go out on the soundbar. Once all the lights go out, that indicates that the factory reset is complete. We can go ahead and turn it back on, and we're turning it back on basically like a new soundbar, and we can just set it up, repair it to our devices like we're pairing something for the first time.